Hi everyone, I'm Chief Meteorologist Betty Davis. Plenty of active weather over the Atlantic Basin. Several areas of disturbed weather we're tracking. Showers and storms associated with these waves. Nothing quite organized just yet. However, there is a 40% chance of development on one wave, that lead one, about 1,000 miles or over 1,000 miles east of the Lesser Antilles as of Tuesday evening rather, and then the other one behind it, a 40% chance of development over the next 5 days, and then a wave poised to move off the west coast of Africa has a 20% chance of developing over the next 5 days. On the short term, nothing for South Florida to be too concerned about. As we track those systems, we'll see where they go. So far, it appears nothing's an imminent threat for this region. It's typical summertime weather on the way for the middle and late part of the week. Plenty of sunshine, high temperatures forecast to reach the low 90s, and afternoon storms will pop each day, perhaps favoring the interior areas and the western side and northern areas of the peninsula. So that's the forecast. Have a great Wednesday.